LiveRig is a standalone low-latency suite to host your Nembrini audio plugins. This is a perfect environment for the modern guitar player who wants to create and organize his entire virtual guitar amplifier and effects chain. Now you can create, save, and recall your Nembrini audio plugin chains. You can load up to 12 Nembrini audio plugins in series, drag and drop plugins in any free slot, swap plugins, copy paste and individually bypass any plugin easily, and also add a plugin rig instant in any LiveRig slot. So you can save your favorite default FX chain and integrate it with the new FX in a simple way. Big, bright, full color LED display. Great perfect tuning anytime, anywhere with the iOS version for iPhone or iPad. Calibrate to any pitch standard. Drop or capo mode. Nembrini Audio Tuner will auto-transpose notes up or down to one full octave. Compact Tuner gives you fast, accurate tuning tool in one single plugin. Ultra Precision Tuner gives you plus or minus 0.01 cent accuracy for ultimate tuning performance. The Black Distortion plugin modeled on the Rat2 distortion pedal will be your go-to distortion plugin for every recording, whether it's rock, blues, punk, or jazz. The beauty of the Black Distortion plugin lies in its versatility. Used as a primary distortion, it excels at arena rock rhythm tones and soaring leads. Do you have an amplifier plugin with too much headroom? Let the Black Distortion plugin be your dirty channel. Maybe you already love your amplifier plugin distortion. Use the Black Distortion plugin as a boost for solos and get the extra kick you need. Legendary Transparent Overdrive. Klon Minotaur Transparent Overdrive is modeled on the Klon Centaur, a guitar overdrive pedal developed between 1990 and 1994. The Klon Minotaur is characterized as a transparent overdrive, meaning it adds gain to the signal without significantly altering the tone of the guitar. Jazz, rock, metal, no matter what genre you play, the Nembrini Audio 808 Overdrive Pro plugin will prove to be essential to your collection. It is very responsive, versatile, and free. Nembrini Audio 808 Overdrive Pro is modeled on the Ibanez TS808 pedal with the JRC 4558D IC chip. The knobs on this classic Stompbox plugin are drive, tone, and level. One channel, free plugin designed for a wide range of music genres. It's version 2 of the first plugin designed by Igor Nembrini at the beginning of his career in DSP development more than 10 years ago. Thanks to the Crunk version 1, Igor was hired by one of the most important companies in audio DSP development, Brainworks, and for them, he developed the most famous guitar and bass amp plugins on the market. Analog Rack Delay plugin is the Nembrini Audio's delay algorithm in a simple package. BPM sync, stereo spread circuit, and a very juicy sound. Analog Rack Noise Gate plugin is a very simple but powerful noise gate plugin especially tuned for guitar and bass. Analog Rack Cleaner plugin is high pass and low pass filters and a single rack effects plugin to clear up low end rumble and high frequency noise. Analog Rack Chorus plugin is a very simple but powerful chorus plugin inspired by the most famous chorus pedals and rack effect units.